All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Happy Saturday, which y'all might not see this until probably Monday, early morning. Anyway, the topic of this video, I am going to discuss these racing seats and what I like and dislike about them. And then I'm going to show you from there where we're going to go with them. Keep watching. All right, guys, basically what I want to come down to is to discuss these racing seats. For one thing, I mean, they're super good quality. Of course, I got them on eBay, as you can see. Let me step back a little bit. The stitching's good, all that, no problems here. The main thing that I don't like, though, is how hard they are. I mean, you can see this padding, it's super hard. And then where they put this lumbar support here, y'all can see the bulk there. It like hits right on your back in just the wrong spots. And there's a little, see this little seam right here? You'll even feel that where like they quit with the foam and restarted the foam. Also, the other thing is too, I'm not a very big guy, but the width of these is so narrow, which I know racing seats are supposed to keep you tucked in where you don't be flopping back and forth, but these are super uncomfortable when you try to drive for a long distance just because of it being so narrow, so stiff, and then with this back here. And basically, I want to get this truck to the point where we can drive it a long ways to go to car shows and all that. Also, the other thing is too, is when you install these tracks on it, it's not too fun because they don't even locate the holes for you. So you got to dig around and try to find that without messing it up too bad. But yeah, that's where we're at. I'm basically going to take these racing seats out and we're going to go back to, as you can see right here, the factory bucket seats, not bench seat. Now this truck came with a bench seat, which the actual bracketry you see here is actually the one for the bench. You can see it goes all the way across. I modified it to put these on it with the center console. So basically we're going to take all this out and run with the factory originals. Now I'm pretty sure these came from like an extended cab C1500, but as you can see here on the bottom, basically same brackets. So the two bolt holes here will be exactly the same. Only thing I'll have to do is on the other side over there, I will have to drill through and weld me some nuts so that I can put these same bolts on the inboard sides of these seat brackets, so it'll be super easy. And I'll make sure that that area is beefed up, God, I can't even talk today. Beefed up with enough material so that it doesn't pull through in case you got in a wreck or something. Which I'm pretty sure it's probably already beefed up because I'm thinking they had these seats and it's the same cab. So anyway, these seats are really good. I only paid 20 bucks for both of these. Smoking deal. Now they are red. We're going to get some better seat covers here. This is kind of what the guy had on them. But man, they are super wide. They're actually 24 inches wide. So if you see me sitting here. And I mean, that's leg to leg like I'd be sitting there. Look how much more room I got. See, I like to spread around, you know. When I drive the beast, I like to, you know, do that gangster lean, spread around, you know, all that stuff. I can't do it on these damn racing seats, man. It just ain't no fun. See, that's what I like to do. So, yeah, basically here, we're going to put these bad boys in there. We're going to have some comfort, some style. Yeah. And also, they will set flush with the window here. As you can see, I don't know if you can see with the reflection, but see how much higher these are past the window. Gives me a pretty good blind spot over there if there's a car riding right in there. So these will be flush. I probably will have to maybe modify the center console now because that was made for these two seats. So we'll see about that. And I'm almost debating on not having it go all the way forward like that, whacking it here and just having it even with these seats here. So yeah, after I get this truck inspected, because we're pretty much, we're supposed to be for 9/19, so I got to go get this truck inspected, which let me switch all around here. What sucks is on this truck, you have to go to a dyno to get it inspected. Not all inspection places have a dyno. Makes for not a fun ordeal. This is the last year I got to do it. After this, moving forward, it's just a safety inspection, making sure your lights, horns, all that work. No more emission testing. That will be great. So yeah, there's a lot of places I try to go to. Their dyno will either be not working or it's down or something. It's, you know, they hardly ever use them anymore, it seems like. So yeah, that is somewhat of the beatdown of living in Texas here with the inspection sticker. But I'm going to get that done first so I don't get a whole, you know, let it run out too long and the tag be out of date and all that and I can't drive it. So before I start gutting all of this interior stuff out, because we also have, if you've watched previous videos, we have brand new carpet to go in here and the heat slash sound barrier to go all in here too. So once I start this whole interior job, it's going to be an ongoing thing for probably a couple of weeks. Also, I believe, even though I really like the colors in here, I'm going to take these racing seats back out. I mean, seat belts, because I don't know if you're going to drive this all the time to like work and stuff, this is just such a beatdown putting this thing on. Once you get this thing on, you can't even reach the radio dial. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and resell probably these seat belts and the racing seats. I'll just put the factory belts back in. I still have those. And I'm debating on just dyeing these seats black and the seat belts and all that, because it does kind of expose these areas over here. I mean, give me a comment in the description below if you think I should do that. Go ahead and just dye these black, of course, and then put them in here. So that is basically where we're at on this video. Just discussing the racing seats on, you know, why I want to take them out. And y'all are probably going to be wondering later on, what happened to the racing seats? Oh, well, I could have told you that. Now, these were off of eBay, of course. Now, there's probably some really nice other racing seats out there that are a lot wider. And if this truck was just primarily for racing, then I could see why you'd want to keep it in there, because you're not going to be driving this thing long distances and all that. But I want to get to the point where I can go to other states comfortably, me and the wife, to car shows and stuff. Because as of right now, that side over there, she ain't enjoying it too much. Yeah. So anyway, that's where we're at. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. This is pretty much just a talking video. We don't do this every video, so don't start blasting and saying, I wish you guys just quit talking and shut up and do something. Because I know I seen the comments. I watch a lot of videos out there on them YouTube, man. I already know how y'all be talking. So don't blast me on this now. Come on. Keep it simple. Keep it sweet. Don't be blasting. This is just a video discussing the future. So yeah, I appreciate y'all guys watching and giving me the thumbs up in the comments and all that. We are gaining subscribers fairly quickly. So hopefully we can at least get to 10K in the future. Yeah. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet. Out.